Oh, is that the sun?
Huh? Okay, let's start. Okay. What is the fastest car transportation? What is the fastest transportation?
Think it is. I think it is MRT or maybe motorcycle.
Okay. Number 2. What is the slowest transportation?
Smallest?
Slowest.
Oh, smallest. Long. Oh, it's bicycle.
Okay. Number 3. What is the less pollution transportation?
Solution from
Less pollution. Less pollution transportation.
I think it is. I think it is canoe.
Canoe. Okay. Number 4. What do you think with transportation in pandemic situation? What will you do?
In pandemic situation, I will I will wear a very thick mask, and then whenever I touch something, I use hand sanitizer.
Okay. What is your favorite transportation? What is your favorite transportation? Oh, that means I say yay.
My favorite is airplane.
Airplane? Just as I do. Now it's your turn.
Okay. What transportation you always use?
Car always. Car.
Of course not. What is the famous public transport?
What is it?
What is the famous public transport?
Bus, okay? I mean bus. Bus.
Okay. Is there a jet ski in your town?
No.
No.
Because I have a jet ski.
Number 4.
Number 4, what is it?
Okay. What your most favorite public transport?
What is it?
What is your most favorite public transport?
Maybe is airplane.
Oh, like me. Okay, now let's one.
Huh?
What is the good sign for you in public transport?
What is it?
What is your good sign about public transport?
Good time is airplane. It's very fast and very safe, but it's very expensive. in the bad things.
Of course. Okay. Okay. Miss, that is all. See you
That's
tomorrow.
our public transportation questions. Goodbye, Shakira. Goodbye, Miss. Thank you, Shakira.
Goodbye,
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Shakira. Ah!
Goodbye. I will leave.
Me too.